Let's learn how to download videos and photos from Google Photos in one click. If you have found yourself in a situation where you want to download all the pictures from Google Photos but didn't know how to do it, after watching this video, you won't have this problem anymore. The first thing you need to do is open the Google Photos app. Once the app opens, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. When you click on it, a page with several options will open, but you need to click on the Manage Your Google Account option. This option is located below your Gmail. After clicking on this option, a page will open where you need to click on the Data and Privacy option. Once you click on this option, scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see the Apps and Services options. Click on this option, and a page will open where you need to scroll down and find the Google Photos app. I don't have it, but I will show you with another app. You need to click on the Download button located next to that app. When you click on Download, a page will open where you need to scroll down a bit and click on the blue Next Step button. Then scroll down and click Create Export. When you click on this, you will receive an email with a link for a one-click download. Go to that link, and you have successfully downloaded everything you wanted. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.